Hi, this is Emily from emilywolf.net, and today I'm going to share with you a page I made in the Project Life app for my scrapbook of my daughter playing in the snow yesterday. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up a new spread. Then I change my corners to square corners, which is just a preference. And then I'm going to start adding my photos. So the first thing I do is I just add the photos just kind of wherever they'll fit, and then once I have them all uploaded, I will go ahead and do some rearranging. So right now I'm just adding in all of the photos, and then I'm going to move them once I get them all in and expand them, zoom in, that kind of thing, just to kind of perfect everything. But it's so much easier to just get them all done while you're already in this screen. So now I have my photos all in there. So I'm going to rearrange them to where I think that they look the best. There's not really any rhyme or reason to this. I just kind of like to put things in chronological order, and then just kind of play around and see what looks best. Typically I have in the top left corner a date card, and then I'll add my journaling on a journaling card, usually a 4x6, just because that's where I usually have the space. So you'll see me do that here in just a second. Right now I'm just adjusting the images to make them more centered and to get them to look exactly how I want. So I'm just going to zoom in here a little bit more so my daughter's more of the focus. And here I am just centering this image so she's in the middle. And I gotta get it just right. And now I'm going to start playing around with the Project Life kits and see which one will work the best with my photos. My thought process here was that my photos were a little bit orangey with the brick from the house and just the way I had edited them. So I started going through the kits I thought that looked like they might have some oranges within them. I usually don't know which kit I'm going to use ahead of time. I just always come in to the app and play around until I find something that I like or that matches. In this case, I ended up choosing the Coral Edition kit. And interestingly enough, I didn't use any orange cards. I chose this card with the little green triangles on it because they reminded me of trees, like Christmas trees. So I thought that went well with the snow photos. So I just am looking for a 3x4 card that matches, and I'm using a filler card here. So I choose this one with similar colors as the title card. And now I just need a 4x6 journaling card. So I'm staying within the Coral Edition kit and looking for a journaling card that matches. And I liked this one because it has the little triangles that match with the title card. So now I just need to add my text. And the first thing I will do is add my date, which I sped this up a little bit in the video because I didn't figure that was something that everybody needed too much guidance on. And I tried using Siri for my journaling because Becky Higgins always talks about how great it is, but I didn't quite find it easy to edit the text then afterwards. But I don't know if that was maybe just because I was in landscape mode. So I'm probably going to have to play around with that a little bit more. And after I finish the text, I'm all done and I'm ready to export. The first thing I do is save the photo to my phone. And I always save it as a 12x12 image. And then the next thing I decided to do was airdrop it to my MacBook because it's easier to print from my laptop than it is to print from my phone. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to visit me at emilywolf.net.